Luke 17:34-37. I tell you, in that night there shall be two men in one bed. The one shall be taken, and the other shall be left. Two women shall be grinding together. The one shall be taken, and the other left. Two men shall be in the field. The one shall be taken, and the other left. And they answered and said unto him, Where, Lord? And he said unto them, Wheresoever the body is, thither will the eagles be gathered together. So the disciples asked Jesus Christ, Where are the ones taken or going? And the Lord said, Wheresoever the body is, that body can refer to the carcass. Thither will the eagles be gathered together. Matthew 24:40-41. Then shall two be in the field, the one shall be taken, and the other left. Two women shall be grinding at the mill, the one shall be taken, and the other left. Now, let's go up to verse 28. Matthew 24:28. For wheresoever the carcass is, remember the word body can refer to carcass. And carcass would refer to something that is dead. There will the eagles be gathered together. And then we get to verse 29, and it speaks of immediately after the tribulation of those days. So when we rightly divide Scripture, we see that we know where the ones that are taken to, wheresoever the body is, wheresoever the carcass is, there the eagles will be gathered together to eat the flesh of whatever that carcass is, which would be, I believe, the flesh of people.